Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FLNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $3.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.15, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength. Next level of support after that would be down here right around the $2.90 mark. So $3.15 and $2.90, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic but highly effective way, how do you judge the health of the move? This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented by that. Again, yeah, staying above 315, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, right now that is up at the $3.35 mark. A couple of times today, including the final 30 minutes, price tried to get up above there and stay up above it and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be the key level to watch going forward. All in all, though, like I said, great movement, not only from the price perspective, but also the volume. So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs on this one tomorrow, so we'll see how it closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.